And in Eastern Europe, Russia's military aggression is matched only by the size of its propaganda. Russia is spending more than $1.5 billion annually to mislead audiences, to sow divisions, to push conspiracy theories out over RT television. Yet the agency charged with leading our response, the Broadcasting Board of Governors, is, as your predecessor testified to us, dysfunctional. Last Congress, the House passed legislation authored by Ranking Member Eliot Engel and me to fix the BBG, the Broadcasting Board of Governors. We hope to have the administration's active backing as we again push this reform.